Supercharger's getting the 900 horsepower package.
All right, so here's another latest edition getting ready to come out from the shop. It's actually going to be this Mustang and this Camaro, which will be a great his and hers package. Here at the shop at Baily's High Performance, we're adding old school restoration builds where we're going to be able to rebuild these, resell them. If it's a car that you're interested in, during the build process, we can make changes to it and whatnot and build it more tailored for you. So what we're going to talk about today is the 69 Mustang that we're restoring that will be up for sale, I'd say probably in about 2 weeks. So what we're doing is, on this one we did a full Ride Tech suspension conversion, front and rear, so now we have coilovers. We also did the bare brake upgrade, front and rear. And we took the straight 6-cylinder 250 motor out, and we're putting a Ford Racing Crate 351 motor that's in there. The other cool feature and cool thing about all this as well is we're pairing it with an automatic AOD for 4-speed trans with overdrive. So it's going to have a real nice highway cruising gear and everything else with it for driving around town and whatnot. This is going to be fuel injected 351, so it'll be fire up, start every time, and really good conversion. We're also putting AC in this convertible, and we're also going to do Dakota Digital gauges on it. So very unique, very awesome build. The Camaro that's right next to it is also going to be the same color scheme, silver and black, convertible as well. Is also going to be an LS swap engine with a 6-speed trans that's going to be in it, and same thing, Ride Tech suspension, front and rear, bare brakes, front and rear, Dakota Digital in the gauges, and a full AC system that's going to be with that as well. So some very awesome things that are coming around. You'll see that a lot more old schools are showing up here at Baily's wanting the best to build them, as well as our Mopars and GM stuff is still just full swing ahead. So they're doing really good. So this is the newest addition to Baily's, the newest side of Baily's, and we are very excited to bring this to you. And keep an eye out. This thing will be for sale in about 2 weeks, ready to go.